How to join Anime Shadow 2 Discord server. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. On the left side, you'll find plus button. Click on the plus button. Then, click on Join a Server at the bottom. In invite link, simply type in Anime Shadow and press on Join Server at the bottom. After you've clicked on Join Server, it will lead you to the server. You will need to customize your experience by answering these questions. After you're done answering, you will be official member of this Discord server. This is how to join Anime Shadow 2 Discord server. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.